Hi, I'm Julia Clancey. Today I'm going to show you a few different ways that we can style the EDITH. The EDITH is a reversible turban, and I've styled it I think at least 15 different ways, and I'm sure that you can find lots of other ways that I haven't even thought of. So I'm going to show you a few of them today. Here you can see how lovely she is. Now, unlike the other ones, this one has, I'm going to unravel it for you. But on the glitter, again, because this is a little heavier fabric, I'm just going to do it twice. So we've got the band, don't lose your band. And then these are reversible, so they can go either way. So the label's just in the side here. So you can just flip the label either side so that you're not seeing the label. So we have the glitter on the outside. And what I'm going to do, and these are elasticated at the back for fit. This is the most important bit here, is we're going to put it over the head, and then we're going to get it and grab it to the front of your head. Now we've got to make sure here, and this is the important bit, as with all the turbans, that we get the tension correct. So I'm going to get the tie, I'm going to put it on, I'm going to put it through once, and then I'm going to put it through twice. And once we've done this, it's much easier because you've got your hands free. So there you go, we've got the turban is nice and snug on the head now, and there's many ways that we can do this. So I'm going to start, firstly I'm going to get the fabric, I'm going to flip it over, and we've already, you can see on this one, we've got some nice little pleats there in place. And I'm going to keep it so we can see the sequin edges here. You could quite easily as well just tuck those down so we're not seeing them. And do an all white wrap, but I'll show you that. I'm going to keep the little edges just in here for now. And then I'm going to continue and wrap this around. I want to keep my little silver edge in there. And you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just keeping those nice little pleats in place. And then we're just wrapping it round like so to get that, and we're going to put it underneath. And the little band that we've got, which tightens it at the front of the head, we're going to get the end and we're going to put it underneath, and we're just going to stick it inside that band so it holds it into place, so that's not going to come apart on you. And that's one way that we can style the EDITH.